lightly drawn straight line across the middle. You don't need to measure. Got your pencil compass. I put a little piece of tape around there so my pencil compass doesn't move, so it's locked into that one spot. Okay, start by poking the point. Pick a spot on the line, poke that point down nice and hard. And then when you are making a circle with your pencil compass, take the top of that compass and kind of lean into the direction that you are drawing. It's much easier to do a circle if your compass is leaning forward. Okay. Now, I don't know if you can see, but we're going to this point here and this point here, and those are the centers of our next two circles. Sorry about the shadows. This is not a professional operation. This is the GoPro camera that I usually strap on my daughter's head when she's skiing. All right, now we're going to go to any point where two circles intersect, and that's going to become another center point. And we're going to make sure that we're right on target for that center point. And any place that these circles intersect, all of the circles that intersect should be on the exact same point. Then you can kind of work your way around this circle. We already did that one. Hit that one. Hit that one. Come on, get in there. There we go. Boom. You can see we already have our first design done. The rosette is right there. Okay, but now we're going to fill this whole page with circles. Let me just back off here. Come on. There we go. And I'm going to continue down the line here, making circles all the way around. Now, if your compass moves, you need to go back to one of your original circles and readjust it. Because if your compass moves and your circle changes, this will not work. Alright, so this is going to be kind of boring for a while I fill this page up with circles. And maybe when I edit this, I will be able to time-lapse that or something. We'll see. Your time, be exact. Probably don't have much else going on right now. Can't leave the house, or shouldn't leave the house. Geometry. Getting a little off over there. Watch my points. Still making circles. bored yet? I guess if you are doing this at the same time I am, it's not that boring. But if you're just sitting here watching, probably pretty boring. I would be fast forwarding if I were you. Let's do one more row. See if we can get our assignment out of that. Oh. Darn it. There we go. That's where we need to be. I don't think that I'm going to become an internet sensation with this video. Oh my God, Carl, I can't believe you're making us draw so many circles. Ugh. So boring. It's not really that boring. It's kind of fun. All right. The first thing we need is a rosette. That's easy. Those are already done. Let's zoom in here. Come on, zoom. All right. Let's pick a spot over here. I'm going to go over the corner. There's a rosette right here. You guys, of course, are going to do a much nicer job coloring your stuff in than I am, because I am just giving a quick demo. Right. All right, rosette done. Next one, hexagon, super easy. Let's go green on the hexagon. Straight edge. Roger that, straight edge. Right there, point to point. You're just finding, oh darn it. You're just finding another rosette. Oh, Carl, can we watch you sharpen your pencils more? How come you're not more prepared? Because I wanted you to have the real studio experience. There we go. I don't know, these pencils are cheap. Okay, right there. Beep. Right? Work your way around. We've got a circle right here. We're just going to connect the points to... Oh my god, are you serious? I have 4 broken green pencils. Oh, this one. Three, 4, 5, 6. Oh my gosh. You gotta be kidding me. There you go. Well, cool. It's got 3 different colors of green. Alright, and if I wanted to, I could color in, you know, if you want, you could color in some of that. Utilize some of the circle arcs from your rosette. I don't care. Do it or not. Bob Ross. It's a happy little hexagon. Okay, cool. Still hexagon though, right? Straight edges. Boom, boom, boom. Alright, next thing. 2 equilateral triangles, which is going to make a 6-sided star. Okay. So let's scoot over one a little bit here. Give you guys a new spot to look at. Let's go. Blue. This one's going to work, I know it. Okay. So we have on our circle here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 points. Right? 6 points on this circle. So, on this circle you have this point and the one that is directly across from it, right? Here's the center point. Instead of drawing a line directly across the center, you're going to draw a line from this point to the one over from center. Does that make sense? Sure, Carl, that sounds great. Okay. Do the same here. Same there. You have just made a perfect equilateral triangle. Now, repeat. Offset 1. And you now have a 6-sided star. Within that, you can do, I mean, you've made your 6-sided star, so you can do whatever you want. But if you want to add some more construction lines so that you can have more shapes to kind of decorate, dissect, right? You can totally do that. So what if I want to turn this into these really cool shapes here? Okay, that's a cool shape, right? Looks like the Star Trek symbol. You guys even know what Star Trek is? Oh, I shouldn't have gone right across. I should have gone 1, 2 over. That's alright, I'll have to use 3 colors now. I should have just done 2. Oh well. blue, orange. Then maybe we'll go like yellow or something. About red. I think this would be a lot cooler if I didn't have those blue construction lines in there. All right, live and learn next time. All right, so then the hard one. Let's move over here. Move down a little bit. There, that looks pretty good. I'm gonna go for our 12-sided star. So let's use pencil this time to make our construction lines. Okay, so let's just put some points on here. You have your 6 points around the circle. But it's what you need is 12 points around the circle. So if you take your center point and put your straight edge across and follow down in between your orange points to the next